welcome to another Techtorial video. In this video, we will continue the exploration of the features on Google Slides. These will include templates, page setup, and more. First, we will go over on how to choose a template. You can see templates on this part of the Google Slides. If you are not satisfied with these templates, you can click on the Template Gallery button shown here. Then, you can select whichever template fits your needs. However, if none of the templates appeal to you, then you might want to import a template that isn't from Google Slides. You can import it by making a new file by clicking the blank option, and you will then need to press the Import Theme option shown here. Next thing we are going to show you is page setup. Page setup is basically the aspect ratio of the slides, or in simpler terms, is the size and shape of the slide. If you would like to change it, you need to click on the File button, and you should see the page setup option near the bottom. Then you may proceed and choose your desired page setup. Now it's time for the actual presentation. To create a presentation, you will need slides, and by pressing the arrow next to the plus sign, this should pop up. Now all you have to do is choose the desired slide layout. After making a slide or two, you might feel that you need more text boxes. To add more text boxes, all you need to do is click the T icon shown here. After that, you may drag the box to your desired size. A niche yet useful feature you can add to the text boxes is the ability to have them take you somewhere else. First, highlight the text you want to add this feature to, then click the chain symbol shown here, and then choose a desired destination for the hyperlink. Finally, we get to the fun part of the tutorial, which is inserting and editing images in slides. First, click on the Insert tab, and then you may choose where the image will be taken from. For now, we will choose to upload the image from our own computer. Then, all you have to do is to pick which image you want to insert. After inserting the image, you may manipulate the image in a few ways. If you double-click the image, you can crop it by dragging the black bars. Another thing you may do with the image is that the image can have different shapes as its outline. By clicking in the arrow next to this symbol, you can choose a unique shape as the outline of the image. That will be it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoy the video and that we will see you soon. Goodbye.